Okay? Hello, Lunita. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Okay, so let's check some school objects, okay?
Okay.
For example, I need you to repeat after me, okay? Pen.
Pen.
Very good. Pencil.
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 Eraser.
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 Ruler.
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 Good. Book.
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 Correct. Backpack.
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 Chair.
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 Good. Desk.
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 Crayon.
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 Marker.
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 Notebook.
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 Good. Okay, now let's practice, okay? So, I need you to use this, okay, and point the pen. Where is the pen? Can you show me, please? With, okay, with the arrow, show me. Where is the pen? Okay, show me, please. Where is the pen?
Espera, espera. Si me equivoco.
No importa. There's no problem. Pen. The pen, the pen. Aha, very good. This is a pen. Okay, now show me the ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler. Where is the ruler? Where's the ruler? It's colored yellow. Aha, very good. That's the ruler.
Siento me equivoqué.
No, it's okay. Now show me or point to the book. Can you point to the book?
Fácil.
Where is it? Ah, very good.
Qué facilito.
Point to the pencil. Where is the pencil?
Qué
There.
fácil.
Aha, correct. Very good. Okay, now point to the crayon. Where is the crayon?
Crayon. Qué facilito.
Excellent. Very good. Great job. Okay, now pay attention to this. Okay, I'm going to ask you, what is it? Okay,
What is it?
right? So let's have a look at this. Okay, for example, what is it? It's a
It's a
pen.
pencil.
Very good. Okay, what is it?
It's a chair.
Chair. What is it?
It's a notebook.
Very good. What is it?
It's a book.
Great. What is it?
It's a
It's
a eraser.
an eraser. It's an eraser. What's this?
Eraser.
It's an eraser.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to play, okay? I need you to choose the correct answer. Okay, what is it? Is it a ruler, books, or it's a backpack?
Backpack.
It's a
Backpack.
very good. What is it? It's a backpack. Yeah, high five. Well done. Come here. Okay.
Ya voy.
What is it? Is it a desk? It's a chair. It's a crayon.
Chair.
It's a
Chair.
3, 2, 1. It's a
Chair.
ooh. It's a desk.
Ay, me equivoqué.
What is it? It's a
Desk.
desk. Okay. What is it? Is it a book? Is it a crayon or it's a desk?
Crayon.
It's a crayon. Yeah, correct. Very good.
Ah,
Oh, come here, please. Okay.
necesito
Great job. Very good.
Pikachu.
Now, correct. Now, let's have a look at your homework for today. All right? So, let's have a look at this. And I need you to point or circle. Okay, circle. Right? Circle in this picture the book. What is it? It's a book, right? Circle, please. Book. Very good. What's this?
It's a
Pen.
pencil.
Okay, can you circle the word pencil?
¿Cuál es este?
This one. Pencil.
Okay. Okay, acá.
Pencil.
Acá está.
Correct.
Todo.
What's this? Pencil
Pencil
case.
case.
What is it? Pencil case.
Acá está.
Here. Very good. Circle. pencil case.
Sí,
Circle.
acá está.
Okay, what's this?
Es a
Rule.
ruler.
Circle, please. The word ruler.
Okay.
Excellent. And now, what's this? It's a
It's a backpack.
Very good. Where is the backpack? Can you show me? Circle the word backpack, please. Circle, 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 circle. Very good. That's a backpack. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you, what is it? Okay. And you say it's a, and the name, and then the color. All right. For example,
Okay.
what is it?
It's a book.
Okay, now the color. What color is it? It's
Orange.
excellent. Okay? Now, another example. What is it?
Marker.
It's a marker. Now, what color is it, Lunita?
Green.
It's green. Very good. It's, right?
It's green.
Very good. Another example. What is it?
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Very
Espera un
good.
momento.
Okay, it's a ruler. Hurry up. Okay, it's a ruler. Now tell me, what color is the ruler?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Very good. And the last, what is it?
It's a
Desk. Again, okay, desk.
desk.
Okay, what is it?
It's a
desk.
brown.
It's a desk. It's a brown desk. What color is it?
Brown.
Very good. Well done. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.